everyone, my name is Lorraine Young and I'm an illustrator, and today I'm here to show you in my Brooklyn studio how I made this holiday pop-up card. So this is our folding piece. This is the crucial element that will give us our pop-up. So what I have here is there are these little notches, and we're just gonna, with the ruler and bone folder, make a straight line crease and just meet those edges. And then I'm going to, again, fold. So what you should get is this box. So where it overlaps on the end, I'm just gonna apply glue there. Okay, so now we're gonna do our little decorative elements on the leaves and the flowers. So I'm using this Emboss It pen marker, and it comes out clear. I'm just gonna draw some elements, and then I'm using the copper embossing powder, and this is a metallic effect, but they have so many colors that you can choose from. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top, just like you would do for glitter. And I'm gonna use scissors just to hold it down because it does get pretty hot using the hot tool. It's honestly like magic. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can feel it too. It feels really great. Just gonna keep on going with all of these different elements, just drawing whatever you want, whatever textures and patterns. What you want to do first is glue down your little strips. And then I'm just going to apply it right here. And then for the other piece that's been drying, I'm going to do the same. You do want to be careful that when you close it shut, wherever you apply your elements, they don't peek out. Because you want this to be a nice surprise. I'm going to get some of these leaves and just glue them here. And it's really all about how you want it to look. And then for the next one, really just fold the flower wherever I want. I'm just gonna do it like that. And then you just keep going. Here is our finished piece with all of the flowers, and then inside we have our note card that we can just slip in and is just a really nice surprise. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my holiday pop-up card made by Lorraine.